Hey guys, it's Riley and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a spring clean with me, and I am super excited to say that this video is in collaboration with one of my really good friends on YouTube. Her name is Ruby. I will have her channel in the iCard and link down below. She is so sweet, and before we get any further, here's a little clip of her telling you all about her and what she does on her channel.
Hi everyone, it's Ruby from Typical Ruby, and on my channel I like to do beauty, fashion, vlog, lifestyle videos. So if you're interested, make sure to check out my channel. I have a series of room renovations, so if you're interested in those aesthetic room transformation videos, then you can check that out. I'm super happy to be doing this collab with Riley. She's literally the sweetest person. So please subscribe to her channel and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Peace.
So that's Ruby, and as you guys can obviously see, you definitely need to go subscribe to her. Again, link down below on the screen in the iCards. But back to my video, I'm going to be doing a spring clean with me. Longer than usual, so if you guys want to clean alongside with me or put this on while you do something productive that you need to do to make yourself feel better, make sure to do that, and make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the outro. Bye! Hey guys, editing Riley here. I just wanted to pop in and say this was the before of my room, and it looked like this because yesterday when I got home from checking in on my family, I unloaded a suitcase and then got tired and left everything that I had unloaded just on the floor in piles. So that's why it looked like that. But I'm not gonna voice over this video. It's gonna be a little bit of just music over the cleaning. So maybe you guys want to clean along with me, or maybe you don't. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe by clicking the red button down below. We are so close to 200 subscribers. I really want to make it there before. Also make sure to follow my Instagram. I try to be super active on there even when I'm not posting videos. My username is riley._.ru. It's on the screen, it's linked down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you enjoy this. Hope you're productive, and I hope you are staying safe, healthy, and you're having an amazing day.
Got me looking like a beach bum, sun up in my hair. I'm rocking long beachy curls. I'm feeling like a Cali girl. Flower on my right, you the sky be looking so clear. I don't have any fears. There goes the Cali girl, girl. Weatherman predicted overcast, but I know that the weather just won't last. We'll be back to the sun, gonna have us some fun. Head outside my window in the breeze. Did you know in this city we never sleep? 'Cause the sky is so blue, and there's just so much to do. Yeah, California's got me looking like a beach bum, sun up in my hair. I'm rocking long beachy curls. I'm feeling like a Cali girl. Flower on my right, yeah, the sky be looking so clear. I don't have any fears. There goes the Cali girl, girl, girl. Now I'm looking like a beach bum, sun up in my hair. I'm rocking long beachy curls. I'm feeling like a Cali girl. Flower on my right, yeah, the sky be looking so clear. I don't have any fears. Hey, I'm